are doing some last minute preparations before we get ready for wheat harvest. It was a gorgeous day out today, but we did get some rain yesterday, so we couldn't do any harvesting today. But we are planning to here this week. Greasing up the chains. So we're moving it a little bit closer to the shop here. Make sure that we get everything good and greased, but we want a little bit closer to where we're gonna work on greasing the auger yet, and yeah. Also gonna grease the header clutch here. You can see the grease points there. Make sure everything's good to go. We have our little helper down here helping us. And the other thing we're gonna get is the hydraulic pump. This one is often forgotten about when people are greasing. So we're just going around and making sure we get all the grease points. Making sure it's all ready to go. If you want to check out, I did a video last year on all the grease points, and you can look that one up. I just wanted to show you here, this is the greaser for the fan, and what we wanted to do is make sure we push enough grease in that you can see the grease coming out, just to make sure it's good and greased for the season. So that's where he was looking for that grease. Farmer's son always likes to be a big help, and he helps out when the farmer needs stuff. He'll run for it oftentimes. Just checking the belts to make sure that they're all tight and look in good condition. Farmer's other son is also checking stuff out for us, making sure it's all working well. Here we are, we're just trying to grease the unloading auger. That one's often kind of difficult to get to. He just cleaned off around there, and it's way up in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right up in there. Sit there now, it's all nice and shiny. I'll go around here.
Hold it into the end. No, just walk.
There you can see it way right up in there. Alright, we like to try and make our way around the combine so we're not missing anything. Here we're greasing the Walcker bearings. It's what, so this is a Walcker machine, since it has these, you can see that, but the purpose of these is to keep the crop moving through the combine. It'll shake the grain off and then walk the straw back to the to the chopper to where it chops the straw up. So make sure these all get nice and greased. There's several of them in here.
Front and back. This is the front bearing that we're greasing right now. It's a long tube that runs up there.
So just in case you were wondering, we do use the Sempico brand of the lube, lubrication grease. So I know some of you guys are interested in that. I just thought I'd let you know that's what we're using here. Farmers' sons are checking the grain bin out, making sure everything looks good up there. Hey, farmer's son number 2. Hi. So over here on this side we have the cylinder speeds, the adjustable speeds for the cylinder. On here.
We're gonna get all greasy.
Making sure we have them all here. In behind there. Here, we like to make sure everything's well greased. This is an older machine, so we want to make sure that everything's greased well enough that we don't have to worry about it breaking down. You know, it's inevitable that you will have some breakdowns, but anything that can be prevented, we like to try and prevent by making sure everything's well greased and maintained. We like to make sure all the everything's the way it should be before we get started here. These machines are very expensive to repair, and at this point, I don't think anybody really wants to have a repair bill in the middle of harvest. So that's why we're going over it, making sure it's greased well, making sure everything looks good to start, so that we can hopefully have a good wheat harvest here without any breakdowns or any repairs that we need to make. Alright, so here we are up on top of the combine by the grain bin, making sure we get the fan greased. It's an important grease point up here. See inside here. Well, it's empty. It's a nice view from up here. Corn looks good. Cattle are out, and you can see the wheat field there on the other side of the pasture. I'm going to pause it here. I guess a lot of people worry about this machine sitting out, but we do maintenance it pretty well. I'm not sure why they're all so worried about it. They sit out on the lots all the time. But one more greaser there that you have to have the auger out to make sure you get.
Hi. She let me free time.
That's one I probably wouldn't like to get. The farmer's alright with it. So.
Hi.
Yep.
Never had Chris.
Farmers' sons have to be a part of everything. Always checking up, making sure how to do the job.
That engine is not.
So that's a little bit of what we were up here on the farm today. Making sure everything is ready to go. Probably be combining tomorrow or Thursday here. So we just have to set the sieves yet, and then we'll be ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.